PuzzleLabs AI review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called PuzzleLabs AI. So right now we are on the sales page, then we have the demo video, and then we have the access to the software. So we will create some books. So let's get to the sales page first. How do you come to the sales page? For that, you will find the link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab PuzzleLabs AI copy. Here, click on that link, then come to the sales page. And it says there is a killer hiding in every book and readers can't stop trying to catch them. Now you can publish these addictive murder mystery puzzle books in minutes. So these are murder mystery puzzle books which you have to create using the software and then publish them on Amazon KDP just like this and sell them and make some money. Okay, so you will be creating these kind of books, and these are the screenshot of the dashboard. So both will show you exactly how it looks like. And I think we are done with the sales page. So let's go through some question answers maybe. Where are they? So I think this will be starting with $17, and then you can get $2 or $3 discount as well. So do you need some tech skills? No. Do I have to install anything? No. Will the puzzles really be solvable? Yes. Is this only find the killer books? No. Find the killer is the star, but blah and blah and blah. Can I sell the books I create? Of course you can. Will Amazon flag or ban books made with AI? No. What files do I get for KDP? I guess you'll get PNG. Let's see. PDF, EPUB, and Word. PDF, I know that PDF. Yeah. Are there any monthly fees? No. Not for now. Are there updates after a buy? Yes, there are. What if I get stuck? You have the email address. Alright, so we are done with the sales page. Let's move on to the demo video. Let's make this quick. Demo video is like 8 minutes long, so I will not show you exactly everything, but I'll just play the video. And this is the dashboard. So they are going to create the book. So the title of the book is the Mega Book of Mixed Puzzles. Okay, this is optional, so we'll do this in the dashboards, and let's go through it. So you have all these choices, and after we go all of this, then let's just see the end product or the final product. How does it look like? You can create your cover page as well here. So I guess you will find the demo video on the sales page as well. So this is the end result. This is your final book with all the chapters. And once you keep scrolling down, you will see the puzzle and the answer just below the puzzle, I guess. So let's keep scrolling, and these are your puzzles, and you can see the answers just below that puzzle. Okay, so this is what you will be generating if you go and grab the software. And we forgot to mention the bonuses. So if you want the bonuses, make sure you watch the video till the end, because I don't discuss the bonuses in the beginning. I'll talk about them in the end, and also will teach you, or not teach you, but tell you how to make money online. So you can see my bonus link is already attached to the sales page. So my sales page is linked with the, this sales page is linked with the my bonuses. Okay, so if you go and buy from me, you will get the bonuses, which we'll talk about in a moment. So let's create the book for you live. So this is the dashboard, and let's click on new book, and title is, I don't know, maybe murder mystery puzzle books, right? A book. I'll leave this optional. Author maybe TubeCore. Okay, cool. Size, I don't know much here, so I will leave it like this. And the solutions, I will say under each puzzle, and centered, yep. And add puzzle type. So what puzzle type should we have? Word search, or tell me which one do you want? Maze? Do you want just simple words, or you want maze, sudoku? Which one do we need? Let's murder mystery, because I named murder mystery. So count for medium difficulty hard. Let's make it hard. And default true crime mystery, because I chose by I don't know, by sixth sense. I said, okay, let's create murder mystery. So I have to choose this one. Let's click on create book. What's going on here? Let's click on generate. Something is going on. Okay, I don't know what's going on here, and something went on. What we do? Let's say add cover. So let's add cover, and then click on generate cover. Okay, we're generating cover. Are we done here? Let's say this one. Okay, and generate maybe murder mystery puzzle book cover, right? Now let's click on generate cover. You can also upload your own cover if you have. It says browser, so you can upload it from your computer. And something is happening. Let us see. Let us see, or let's see. Something happen. Yeah. Let me see. Oh yeah, we got it. Okay. So you got your cover, as you can see, and you can always play around. Okay, you can click on regenerate at the top, as you can see, or generate again. You can choose these different kind of variations. Okay, so I will just leave it as it is, use as front cover. Okay, and are we done here, or let's see, you can always click on regenerate. Let's click on preview. This is your preview, but I'm gonna just click on download. Okay, so let's click on download, and let's see our end results. So murder mystery puzzle book, and powered by, so this is just the cover. Okay, and if I come back again, let's export as PDF. I did not click on export, so let's click on export first. And where is my PDF? I'm using it for the first time, so bear with me. Okay, where's my PDF, man? Somewhere here, I guess that's your PDF. So I'm gonna click on download, and let's see what happens. Oh, we got something now. So we got murder mystery puzzle book by TubeCore. That's me. Okay, so let's scroll down, and we have what? We have something. That's nice. We have chapters, we have chapters, we have solutions, and we have more chapters. We have, okay, and we have solutions. So looks like, well, what I did is I chose a murder mystery thing in which I don't have puzzles. Okay, I'll quickly try to create one more book for you so that you can see some puzzles. So let's go to dashboard again. Let's click on new book. Just puzzle. I'll just try to keep it short. TubeCore. I'll say maze puzzle. Maze puzzle mystery. Okay, and that's it. That's under each puzzle centered at puzzle type. Let's type in maze. Yep, and then difficulty is hard. Default is it? Yeah, let's keep it default. Let's click on create book, and generate, and add cover, and then let's choose this one, maybe botanical gardens or password tech blueprint. Which one? Car machine. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's click on generate cover. It's working on it. We're working. The video is getting longer. Hold the horses, because I'm showing you two live books created by the software. And if you want bonuses, then watch the video till the end anyway. So you can always play around. Okay, I'm just doing the demo here, so I'm in the hurry. And then what we got, let's do the export here. Export as PDF, and you can do export as docx as well. Let's come down and click on download there. And okay, I have kept it simple. So let's see. Oh, that's your maze. Okay, that's your maze. All right. In the demo video, you have seen what you have seen. You have seen the words in the demo video. For example, if I show you here again, here is a demo video. So in the demo video, what did you create? You created the, you see, this is what you created in the demo video. And these two are created by me because I chosen the murder mystery first, and then I chosen this maze secondly. Okay, so that's it, I guess. You can see this, the software at least is working. Okay, you can always play around with the categories and everything, and then you have some creative studio here and HN this and that. So go ahead and watch the demo video. It should be on a sales page, and let's talk about OTOs now. So OTOs are right here somewhere. So we have front end, as you can see. Then you have OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12. Okay, go and grab whatever you need. Go and buy using my link below. And now we'll talk about the bonuses. So watch the video till the end. Alrighty, humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kish Hacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay, then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading. If you want, you can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay, second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all this is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay, what else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kish Hacking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling Kish Hacking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately. Okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, $10, $12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you are a refund seeker. Okay. Anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.